Welcome to Tripura Info News Update. Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha today laid the foundation stone of the Civil Services Officers Institute (CSOI) at Kunjaban, Agartala, in a significant step towards enhancing infrastructure and support systems for state civil service officers. A blood donation camp was also organized on the occasion. The event was graced by Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha, DGP Anurag Dhankar, PCCF R.K. Shyamal, and Secretary Kiran Kumar Gitte, alongside the Chief Minister, who praised the initiative as a long-awaited facility that will benefit officers and their families. The institute, to be constructed at a cost of over 31 crore rupees, will offer a range of amenities including a library, health and wellness center, recreational spaces, a food court, and facilities for organizing seminars, training programs, and conferences. The CM urged for the completion of the project within the stipulated 2 years while maintaining high-quality standards. Highlighting the importance of administrative camaraderie and professional integrity, Dr. Saha encouraged officers to foster public trust and serve the people beyond political lines. He noted that the presence of such institutions in other states inspired him to act swiftly when the proposal for Tripura's own CSOI was made. The Chief Minister commended the growing participation of women in civil services and emphasized that honest and dedicated governance will take Tripura to global recognition. He applauded the state's civil service officers for their contributions during events like the G20 summit and NEC plenary session, as well as their tireless efforts during last year's flood crisis. Dr. Saha also announced that the state's budget has seen a jump from 27,000 crore rupees to over 32,000 crore rupees this year, attributing this growth to the transparent and dedicated work of the administrative machinery and continued support from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He concluded with a call to all India services officers to return to Tripura on time after their deputation and refrain from seeking extensions through influential channels. The CM especially congratulated Secretary Kiran Gitte for initiating the CSOI project under state's good governance initiatives, calling it a milestone for Team Tripura.
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.